This module is called Copying Orders. If you enter orders for the same patient frequently, it is sometimes easier to take an existing order and copy it rather than creating a new one each time. From your home screen, click on the Orders tab. Type in the last name of the patient you are searching for and click the Apply Filters button. From the list of orders that come up for this patient, use the Service Requested column to find an order that closely matches the one you want to enter today. Hover over the ones with multiple tests to see what tests are on that order. Click on the patient's name so the order window comes up.
You can pause it. So I can cut that whole section out.
Stop it. This is the existing order that you're going to copy from, and you can tell that because there's already an order number at the top. Scroll all the way to the bottom, and the first thing you want to do is click on the Copy Order button. The system is going to ask you or give you a warning message saying that you're going to copy this order, and it wants to know if that's okay. Click OK. Now your screen shows you a brand new order. There's no order number at the top, and all the required fields are blank and highlighted in yellow. The order will default to a routine order. The first field you are required to complete is the date you want the blood drawn. Usually this is the next day. And that's what we consider to be routine. If you want the blood drawn stat, use that option here, but you're also going to have to call the lab and let them know that you need the phlebotomist to come out right away. The demographic information and the insurance information should pull from the patient's file. For nursing homes who are using this functionality, only required field in this section is the patient address to. This second address field is used to route the result to the correct inbox for the nursing unit or floor the patient resides on. Each nursing home has their own key to use to know where or what to enter here. For example, B34 is the nursing station, followed by the hall and room number A12. Or B19 for a certain range of rooms, and 112 for the room number. You would enter that distinction here. Scroll down the rest of the order to get to the blue-gray box. Notice there are lab tests and diagnosis codes already present because you are copying an existing order with those fields already completed for you. If you have to add a new test to the ones already listed, you can add the lab code or search for the test as demonstrated on the Creating Orders module. If you need to remove one of the tests already listed on this order, click the Remove button at the end of the line for the test you want to remove. Next are the diagnosis codes. This is the biggest reason you are using the Copy and Order feature, as opposed to creating a new one. Hopefully, every diagnosis the patient has is already on the order, copied from the previous time. Feel free to add if you want, but don't remove any. Pinnacle doesn't care how many diagnosis codes you send over. If you have to add another diagnosis code, add the code or search as demonstrated in the Creating Orders module. Use the Practice Comments field to add any special orders that would be helpful to the phlebotomist. For example, patient is combative, or you shouldn't draw blood from the left arm. Once the order is completed, click the Order button to send it off electronically.